Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem PayPal gift cards. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to redeem your PayPal account's gift card, go open a web browser first and go to www.paypal.com and sign into your account if necessary. Now, in order to redeem a gift card on PayPal, from the home page of PayPal, go and click on the wallet option at the top. Now, click on link a card, enter your credit card number, and then enter the expiration date for your credit card. Now, on the next field, enter the security number, and finally click on link card. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll be able to redeem your gift card on PayPal. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.